The journey of premium cumin powder begins across vast hectares of carefully managed agricultural land. Agronomists monitor the flowering stage, ensuring optimal conditions for seed development.
Moisture levels are critical, requiring precise irrigation schedules during the growth cycle.
Over several months, the delicate blooms transform into the aromatic seeds we recognize.
Harvesting commences only when the seeds have dried sufficiently on the stalk. Specialized combine harvesters gather the crop efficiently to minimize seed loss.
Internal threshing mechanisms separate the valuable seeds from the fibrous plant material.
The raw seeds are transferred immediately to transport vehicles to preserve freshness. Field sorting removes larger debris and stones before the cargo leaves the farm.
Logistics teams coordinate the rapid transport of raw material to the central processing plant. Upon arrival, the raw cumin is offloaded into intake hoppers for initial inspection.
Primary grates filter out large contaminants, ensuring only seeds enter the processing line.
Vertical elevators transport the raw spice to the upper levels for gravity-fed cleaning.
Air separators utilize specific gravity to remove dust and light chaff from the batch. Powerful magnets extract any ferrous metal particles that may have been harvested. Destoners remove stones and heavy impurities that match the seed's size, but not its weight. A thorough washing phase removes surface dirt and adhered soil particles.
Agitated water baths ensure every seed is scrubbed clean of fine earth.
Vibrating screens remove excess water before the seeds move to the drying chambers. Industrial tunnel dryers gently reduce moisture content to a precise percentage. Moisture levels are strictly controlled to prevent spoilage and ensure grindability. Roasting drums heat the seeds to unlock their essential oils and enhance flavor.
The roasting process deepens the color and intensifies the characteristic cumin aroma.
Rapid cooling systems stabilize the volatile oils immediately after roasting. The cooled seeds are fed into high-speed hammer mills for pulverization. Inside the mill, rapidly rotating hammers shatter the seeds into a fine consistency. Multi-stage grinding ensures a gradual reduction in particle size without overheating. Cryogenic grinding creates an inert environment to preserve the spice's delicate flavor profile. The final result is a uniformly ground powder with maximum flavor retention. Vibrosifters classify the powder, returning any coarse particles for regrinding.
Pneumatic conveyors transport the finished powder to storage silos without human contact.
Storage silos protect the powder from light and oxidation prior to packaging.
Automation ensures consistent throughput and minimizes the risk of contamination.
Batch blending guarantees a consistent color and flavor profile across the entire production run.
In the laboratory, samples undergo rigorous testing for purity and chemical composition.
Chromatography verifies the presence of essential volatile oils that define quality. Microscopic analysis checks for particle uniformity and the absence of foreign matter.
Visual inspections ensure the powder meets the strict color standards required for export.
Microbiological testing confirms the product is free from pathogens and safe for consumption.
High-speed packaging lines form, fill, and seal the pouches in a single continuous motion.
Precision dosing augers fill each packet to the exact weight requirement.
Heat sealing creates an airtight barrier to lock in freshness and aroma. Laser coaters apply traceability data, including batch numbers and expiration dates. Finished pouches undergo a final visual check before being grouped for cartoning. Robotic case packers arrange the units into shipping cartons with tireless precision. Cartons are automatically sealed and labeled for inventory management. Automated palletizers stack the cartons, preparing them for the logistics phase. Pallets are stretch-wrapped to ensure stability and protection during transit. The finished goods are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain peak quality. Inventory management systems direct the efficient retrieval of stock for shipping. Pallets are loaded into shipping containers destined for international markets. Once loaded, containers are sealed and documented for their global journey. From the field to the final shipment, the process is a testament to industrial precision.
The result is a pure, aromatic spice that enhances cuisines around the world. Versatile and flavorful, this cumin powder is now ready for the consumer's kitchen. Transforming a humble seed into a global commodity requires advanced technology.
Bringing the authentic taste of quality cumin to homes everywhere. Consistent quality ensures the product stands out on the shelf.
Every step is monitored, controlled, and optimized for excellence. This facility stands as a benchmark in modern food processing standards.
Precision, purity, and passion define the making of cumin powder. Delivering massive volumes without compromising a single grain.
Delivering flavor to the world, one shipment at a time.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the factory.